The Medical Sociology Club at UAB's purpose is to provide a network for minors and majors and any students interested in the field of medical sociology. Together, the organization will help spread awareness about health disparities, inequality, and social injustices in the healthcare system by way of workshops, fundraisers, events, and awareness-based programs.
What is medical sociology? Medical sociology studies disparities, healthcare systems, and public policies that shape health. It also focuses on the social aspects that determine health. It is research-based in demographics, social research, and statistical analysis. Our first meeting will take place this month and will be a film screening.
Some other events planned are Cards Against Sociology, where we play and talk about sociological concepts, and our department meet and greet, where we meet faculty and staff on campus. We will also have volunteer opportunities for members, once accessible, in order to further serve and promote the well-being of our surrounding communities.
To become a member, you must be majoring, minoring, or have a genuine interest in medical sociology. You can find us on Engage under Medical Sociology at UAB, or you may contact our recruitment chair, Odyssey Kroll, at kroll1@uab.edu.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram at UAB MedSoc. And go Blazers!